Welcome! In this video, we'll learn how to add text elements in HTML. Headings help structure your page. H1 is the largest and should be used only once for the main title. H2 is for major sections. H3 and H4 break down subsections. H5 and H6 are rarely used, but they're available for very detailed structures. Paragraphs are created with the P tag. This is the most common way to add text. To emphasize text, use B for bold and I for italics. That's it! You now know the basics of adding text in HTML. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.